Meet Kutlwano Makhathini, a dedicated farmer from Fast Track Farm in Lady Grey, who is building his livestock enterprise with passion and determination. Kutlwano currently farms with sheep and cattle, working hard each day to grow and improve his operation. In a bold step to diversify his farming activities, he has recently introduced Angora goats to his flock to see how well they adapt to the weather conditions of Lady Grey.
Ixesha elininzi siyancokola noBhoni, ngamanye amaxesha uyazazovizitha apha efama, uyandigayida kwiinto ezininzi, uyandichazela ngetraining ukuba no itraining ikhona ethile.
Through commitment, innovation, and the support of agricultural extension and advisory services, farmers like Kutlwano Makhathini are helping grow the future of agriculture in the Eastern Cape through dedicated assistance of extension workers like Bonisiwe Mbanjwa. Lo myalezo niuphathelwe liSebe lezoLimo.